Good afternoon everyone. In today's class of MIS Management Information System, I will start Unit 3rd. The name of Unit 3rd is Concept of Planning and Control. So first we will understand what is planning. Every time we know planning means planning is thinking about future. Just correct it, future, F-U-T-U-R-E, or thinking in advance. So what is planning? Planning means thinking about future or thinking in advance. Okay, whenever we decide what to do, how to do, when to do, by whom to do, and why to do, then it is called planning. Planning is just the thing of mind, not any action. So investments in IT, here IT means information technology. I have already discussed in Unit 1, information technology. Investments in IT and acquisition of IS means information system are usually high, involving greater financial and human resources. It means many expenses are there in IT and IS. This expenditure means expenses combined with the growing variety of hardware and software. Why this expenditure is there? Because hardware cost is there, software cost is there, and increasing impact of IT, again information technology, on activities call for careful planning of any organization's IS. These all the things, expenditure, variety of hardware and software, they tell for careful planning of information system in organization. Planning is an attempt to control the development of future events. What is planning? Planning is an attempt to control the development of future events. Business planning is the process of setting goals and objectives. They outline the strategic plan. Here strategy means long-term plan. Correct the spelling again, S-T-R-A-T-E, S-T-R-A-T-E-G-I-C. Strategic plan for information system resources and tactical steps to attain the strategic goals. Then they get down to the more specific details of operations, projects, priorities, staffing, purchasing of hardware and software, and funding. The most important planning activities include scheduling, budgeting, and resource allocation. So planning means thinking about all the steps, all the goals, all the specific details of project, priorities, staffing, purchasing of hardware and software, and fund means कितना पैसा चाहिए. Similarly, most important activities which are included in planning are scheduling, budgeting, resource allocation. So this is the topic for today, planning in organization. Okay, thanks for listening. Next I will discuss in other videos.